Now we are going to explore the Adobe Firefly interface and create our first image together. Adobe Firefly is user-friendly and powerful, making it easy for anyone to generate and edit images. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, when you enter Adobe Firefly, you'll notice the clean and intuitive layout. Let's take a quick tour. First, we are going to talk about the home page. The home page is your starting point. Here, you can access different tools and features. Next is Gallery. Click on Gallery to see what other users have created. This section is great for inspiration and seeing the potential of Firefly. You'll find various categories like text effects, animals, and cars. Scroll through and click on images you like to see the prompts they have used. Let's click on this steak image. You can see the prompt. It says grilled steak photoshoot, photorealistic, smoky background, 50mm lens. We'll discover this all later. To go back, click on this icon. Now, let's talk about Favorites section. This section stores all the images you have marked as favorites. It's a handy way to keep track of the prompts and images you love. For now, I'm a new user and I haven't used any image as favorite. It says you don't have any favorite image yet. If you favorite an image, it will appear here for as long as you like. Next section is About. By clicking on this, we'll come up to this interface. The About page gives you more information about Adobe Firefly, including detailed descriptions and features. So it says Generative AI right where you want it, inside your Adobe apps. Make amazing transformations in a snap with new features. In just a few words, you can create images, add or remove objects, fill in or expand images, and generate custom graphics and seamless patterns. So it has Photoshop, Adobe Express, Illustrator, Lightroom, InDesign, Substance 3D, and then comes the creators. It says Adobe is committed to developing generative AI responsibly, with creators as the center. Our mission is to give creators every advantage, not just creatively but practically too. So it says it enhances the creative process, give creators practical advantages, and set the standard for responsibility. You can give this article a read if you're interested in learning more. Now, let's talk about the profile. If you click on your profile to view your name and the number of credits you have left for the month. Let's see, I have 24 out of 25 credits left. If you click on these 6 dots, you'll see options for web apps, an Adobe home page, and all apps icon. Now, let's create our first image. The process is straightforward and fun. So from the home page, you can choose tools like text to image, creative fill, and more. For now, let's focus on text to image. Click on this. You can either use an existing prompt from the community showcase or type in your own. Let's type frog as our first prompt and press generate. In just a few seconds, Firefly will generate the image. You can see the results and choose to like, dislike, or report the image. You can also edit, save, or add the image to your favorite. So it has produced 4 different images of frog, which are very realistic. You can download it from here, or edit it, or give a feedback. Let's give it a good feedback. By clicking on the 3 dots, you can find options to share or save to favorites. The gallery is a treasure trove of creative prompts and images. Find something that catches your eye. Click on it and see the prompts used. You can even try recreating similar images by copying and tweaking the prompts. Join the Firefly community to share your creations, get feedback, and find new ideas. Engaging with each other users, one can enhance your creativity and help you learn new techniques. The showcase highlights some of the best images created by the community. It's an excellent way to see the full potential of Firefly and get inspired. In our next video, we'll explore the sidebar tools in more detail. Here's a quick overview of what you can expect. We'll learn how to craft detailed prompts and use Firefly's text-to-image tool effectively. Next, we'll discover how to use inpainting and outpainting to edit your images seamlessly. Experiment with adding dynamic text effects and recoloring your images to make them stand out. To wrap up, we have explored the Adobe Firefly interface and created our first image together. We also touched on how to navigate the gallery, engage with the community, and use the basic tools.